Hello everyone. My name is Glenn Hart Andre Potoboda. I am from the Information Systems Program, Class A, Batch 2025, and my student ID number is 2510110600038. Today, I would like to present a short explanation about logic in computer, one of the most fundamental topics in computer science and information systems. Lightbulb 1. Definition of logic in computer. Logic in computer refers to the use of reasoning and structured thinking in computing systems. It is the foundation of all computer operations, from simple calculations to complex decision-making. Logic allows a computer to process information, make decisions, and solve problems by following specific rules. In short, computers don't think like humans, they rely entirely on logic to perform every task accurately and consistently. Gear 2. Importance of logic in computing. Logic is what makes computers intelligent and reliable. It is used in several areas. Programming, logic defines how a program reacts to certain conditions. For example, if the user clicks a button, then display the next page. Hardware design, logic is used to build circuits that process binary data, zeros and ones. Problem solving, logical thinking helps developers and system analysts design clear, step-by-step solutions. Artificial intelligence, logic forms the basis for reasoning and decision-making in AI systems. Without logic, computers would not be able to make decisions, compare data, or execute instructions correctly. Input numbers 3. Types of logic. There are two major types of logic commonly used in computer systems. A propositional logic. This type of logic deals with statements that are either true or false. Example: if it rains, then the road is wet. In programming, this can be written as: if raining equals true, then road equals wet. Propositional logic helps define conditions and outcomes in algorithms and programs. B. Boolean logic. Boolean logic was developed by George Boole and is the core of computer logic. It uses binary values, 1, true, and 0, false. It involves basic logical operators. And returns true only if both conditions are true. Or returns true if at least one condition is true. Not reverses the logical value, true becomes false. These operators are the foundation of decision-making in both software and digital circuits. Brain 4. Applications of logic in computers. Logic can be found in every level of computer systems. In software, it controls program flow and user interaction. In hardware, it determines how signals move through circuits inside the CPU. In database systems, it helps in filtering data and defining relationships between information. In artificial intelligence, logic enables machines to simulate human reasoning and make predictions. For example, when you search something on Google, logical algorithms decide which results are most relevant to your query.